Ooh, ooh, ooh. Say hello, Sledge. Say hello. Say hello, Sledge. Hello and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a simple, all neutral look. I feel like this is a very classic cool tone and golden neutral look with a nice brown lip. If you like what you see here, then please keep watching. Alright, we're going with the Lawless, the Little One palette today. It's going to be a super simple neutral look. I do love, like, it's such a good little neutral. It's got some cool tones, some warm tones, some shimmers, a black, really light like cream white color, so it's really good travel palette or just somebody who's like a minimalist and just wants something simple like this. So I'm going to start with this shade right here. Take that all over the crease, just blend it out, blend it. Just using this color right now is making me really want to try out more cool tone looks. I don't know why, something about this shade is just screaming like cool tone neutrals and I love it. And I really want to do some more like cool tone neutrals, maybe some all matte looks. I don't know, I'm just really feeling that right now. Now I'm going to go in with the deeper chocolate brown shade and focus that on the outer corner and into the crease. I'm not taking this brown all the way into the crease. I'm taking it kind of just midway and then leaving room for the lighter brown shade to be all the way through, just so it's not like an overly smoky eye. I'm kind of going for more of like a soft smoke, soft glam type thing. Just gonna go back in with the lighter shade just to blend all that out. Now I'm going to go in with the lighter of the two gold shades and put this on the rest of the lid that I haven't applied any shadows to. Alright, now I'm just going to go back in with the deeper chocolate brown color in case we lost any of the deepness that I was going for by applying some shimmer shades. And again with the lighter one. You can never go back and blend too many times, in my opinion. Next, I'm going to take the deeper of the two gold shades, this one's more bronzy, and just use that to kind of blend the first gold shade and the deep brown together. I personally just prefer to use my finger for any shimmer shade. It doesn't really matter the palette. unless I know specifically I like the way it looks with a brush or a wet brush better, then I'll 9 times out of 10 go in with my finger. Alright, I'm just going to go in and touch up the other shades just a little bit, and then we'll do the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and take this black shade right here and smudge that on the lash line. I don't want anything too harsh, so that's why I'm going in with a shadow today. Alright, I'm just going to take a little bit of that black as well and go right on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the deep chocolate brown shade in a very detailed fluffy brush and blend that out and take it a little bit further in than the black. Okay, for the inner and outer, for the inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, that's what I was looking for. The inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Becca. This is the Pop Goes the Glow Champagne Pop Face and Eye Palette, and just use Champagne Pop, I believe. On the inner corner. Oh yes. I use this for my highlight and for my blush today because it says that they all can be used on the eyes and the cheeks, so we'll see about that. But I can never go wrong with Champagne Pop. It's such good bright highlight palette. For mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte Big Ego mascara today. Obviously a little sample size, so testing it out. We'll see how it goes. Can't forget a good lip product. So today I'm going to use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. Then I think I'm just going to tap a tiny bit of Champagne Pop on the center. I like it. I like it. Hello, Sid. Alright, well that completes this video. If you like what you saw here today, then please subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on Instagram at JSanchez Beauty, where I try to post every day, but you know, life gets in the way sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye!